Welcome back everyone to another series of learning how to master your LinkedIn profile. Today we're going to be covering how you can add your LinkedIn profile link into your resume and how you can even hyperlink it. Before we commence, hit the like and subscribe button below, and without further ado, I would want you to go over to the top right of your LinkedIn page and click on the Me button right over here. When you click on it, I want you to click on View Profile. Once you have clicked the link, you will be in your LinkedIn profile page. In your LinkedIn profile page, if you look on the right hand column over here, you would see profile language and then you would see public profile and URL. The link for your LinkedIn profile is situated right here below. So if you were to select it, right click on it and click on copy. Once you click on copy, you are able to bring up a resume that you have, and in the header description over here, you can type in something simple like my LinkedIn profile. Right click onto it, head over down to the option called link, click on link, and over here you want to make sure that you are linking to an existing file or web page. Once you click on that, make sure that in the address bar over here, you copy your LinkedIn profile link and click OK. So right now you can see the words My LinkedIn Profile has actually been hyperlinked over to your LinkedIn profile page. So if you open it as a PDF document, this is exactly how it's going to look like. And your LinkedIn profile will be hyperlinked into your resume so that recruiters can click on your LinkedIn profile after viewing your resume and get to know more about you, and you are able to persuade them to move on to the interview stage to contact you for an interview.